So, students, today we will study our next topic, that is your regarding your algae. Yesterday we did the classification and now we will carry forward the classification. So, the very first topic in this is your phycology. Phycology means phycos here means seaweed and logy means study. So, what is phycology? Phycology is the study of seaweed, or you can also say that phycology, or we can use word phycology for the study of your this algae. So, who was the father of phycology? Fritsch is considered as the father of phycology. M.O.P. Iyengar is the father of Indian phycology. Algal members are pigmented thallophytes. So, algae are the members of thallophytes, or algae comes under thallophytes, which are pigmented, means they have coloring pigments in them. Coloring pigments can be different also. First of all, we will study the habitat. What is habitat? Like hydrophytes. Hydrophytes are those which live in water. Xerophytes in desert conditions, means less water. Mesophyte in medium habitat. Epiphytes are those algae which live on plants. Lithophytes on rocks. Halophytes in salty areas. And in aquatic habitat, freshwater, Spirogyra. Marine algae, Sargassum is an example of marine algae. Floating, Chlamydomonas and Spirogyra. Benthophytes are attached to the bottom, means algae which are attached to the bottom of any surface, sea or water surface, are called as benthophytes, like Chara and stoneworts. Epiphytes are growing on the plant body. Cladophora example है. Epizoic, growing on animal body. And moist soil, terrestrial, Fritschella. So, plant body of algae, the vegetative plant body is haploid gametophyte. So, there are two new terms. One is your haploid and second is your gametophyte. What is haploid? Haploid means half number. Suppose we have 46 chromosomes in our cells, then what will be the haploid number of those cells? It will be equal to 23. So, haploid and gametophyte is the one which produces male or female gametes, like sperms and eggs in case of humans. So, what is gametophyte in case of humans? Gametophyte is ovary and your testis in case of humans. Similarly, the haploid means half number of chromosomes. The plant body of algae consists of half number of chromosome and is considered or called as gametophyte because it directly produces gametes. Algae can be unicellular, flagellated or non-flagellated. Flagellated means they have a thread-like long flagella which helps in movement. Non-flagellated means no flagella. It can be multicellular also. Now, what is synobium? Synobium is a colony with a fixed number of cells and division of labor. Synobium is a colony. Here you can see synobium, like Volvox is here. Volvox is a type of algae which lives in colonial form, and the number of individuals are fixed. Aggregation, indefinite body, Tetraspora. Filamentous, unbranched, Eulothrix. These are all examples of different types of algae according to their structure. You can see the diagrams here also. Chlamydomonas, it is unicellular green algae. Volvox, colonial form, all the round structures. These are more than one number of Volvox. This is colonial form of Volvox. And this is Spirogyra. Spirogyra is multicellular green algae. Alba is multicellular green algae. So most of them are autotrophs and photosynthetic. Autotroph means they can prepare their own food, and they can prepare their own food with the help of chlorophyll. And two types of there are mainly 5 types of chlorophyll: A, B, C, D, and E. So pigments which are present in the algae are A, B, C, and D.